In this video, I want to show you how to load paper in your Canon PIXMA TR160 portable printer. So let's get started. So right away, if you want to open up the printer, you're going to first open the top lid. And this is where our paper input is located. Now you can extend it more simply by pulling this top part. Okay, you may have to put a hand on the printer itself and pull. And now take your stack of paper, make sure it is aligned, and you're going to notice a small gray guide that can glide left and right. If you're going to print on US letter size, you need to make sure that this gray guide is all the way towards the left side. Then take your stack of paper and simply let it sit on this back portion of the paper input. As you notice, the gray guide over here has a small notch, and the paper should not go above the notch. It should stay inside over here. If you plan to print on envelopes or on 4x6 smaller papers, you simply have to bring this gray guide and slide your envelope in the right side, right over here. The paper output of the printer is located on the front, right over here. If the cover is closed, simply open it. And now you're going to notice there is another gray guide. If you look closely, there's an icon of an envelope and an icon of a paper on the right side. If you're printing on envelopes, this gray guide needs to be right beside the envelope icon. If you're printing on paper, you simply need to push it so that the gray guide is right beside the paper icon. And this is about it. When you input paper, there's a chance that on the display over here, it will ask you if you have changed the paper type that you have input comparing to the previous one. If so, if you have input a different paper, you will be able to change it using these buttons. Thanks for watching. If you need some paper for the printer, I'll leave some links down below towards Amazon, so check them out. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.